German language for beginners. Lesson 5. Teacher Anand Mohandas. Zahlen auf Deutsch. Count in German. 1 ist 1, 2 ist 2, 3 ist 3, 4 ist 4, 5 ist 5, 6 ist 6, 7 ist 7, 8 ist 8, 9 ist 9, 10 ist 10, 11 ist 11, 12 ist 12, 13 13, 14 14, like that you can say 17 is 17, 18 is 18, 20 is 20. So from 20 you can say 21, 22, 25 is 22, 23 is 23, like that it goes. So 26 can be 26, 27 is 27, 30 is 30, 31 is 31, 32 is 32, so 35 you can see 35, 40 is 40. So if you want to say 43, 43, 50 is 50. If you want to say 55, you can say 55, 80 is 80, 90 is 90, 100 is 100. So 95, if you want to say 95, you can say 90. 101 is 101, 102 is 102, 103 is 103, 110 is 110, 111 is 111, 120 is 120, 140 is 140, 150 is 150, 300 is 300, 400 is 400, 10,000 is 10,000, 100,000 is 100,000, 1,001 is 1,001, and normal 1,000 is 1,000 or just 1,000. 210 is 510, 201 is 501. So like that, it's very easy. You can make it. 111 is 111. You know, elf is 11. So 111 is 111. So you can easily create count from 1 to 10,000. I've shown it. 200,000. 140 is 150. Oh, 140. Now some question. What is science plus 3? 2 is 3. So 1 plus 2 is 3. What is 4 minus 3? 4 minus 3 is science. What is 5 minus 1? 5 minus 1 is 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. 10 minus 9 is 1. 8 minus 4 is 4. 8 minus 4 is 4 means 8 minus 4 is 4. 8 minus 6 is 8. 15 minus 8 is 7. 20 minus 17. Danke.